Preparing for your graduation? Here's a quick rundown of the graduate commencement ceremony and a tutorial on how to properly wear your master's hood. The master's hood is an important part of your academic regalia. It represents your degree and your field of study. The hood has three main parts: the velvet trim, the colored lining, and the satin chevron or school colors inside. The velvet trim indicates your academic field. The lining shows your school's official colors. Length and shape vary by degree level. Wear the hood so the inside colors face up and the velvet trim faces outward. The small loop at the front should be at the top. The velvet edge should rest flat against your shoulders. The longer back portion will hang down. Gently turn out the satin lining at the back so the school colors show. It should form a small V or U shape. Use the loop at the front to secure the hood to the button, zipper, or safety pin attached to your gown. This helps keep it in place during the ceremony. Check in a mirror or ask a friend to make sure everything looks neat and centered. Your hood should lie smoothly and show off your academic pride. When you arrive at Thomas & Mack, head up the Cox Pavilion staircase. Once you enter the Cox Pavilion, be sure to grab your name card from the designated tables. On your name card, you may write down the phonetic pronunciation of your name to give the name reader during the ceremony. After completing this step, you'll follow the signs to the Master's Waiting Area. From the Master's Waiting Area, you'll be led in a group to the tunnel leading to the commencement floor to take your seats. In the tunnel, you'll be separated into two rows to be seated on the left or right side of the graduate seating area. During the commencement ceremony, you will enter the stage from the right or left side. Once on the stage, you will hand your card to the name reader at the lectern. As the name reader calls out your name, you will walk to the center of the stage to shake hands with a member of the university leadership. Afterward, you will head down the center stairs to receive your master's folder and return to your seat as the commencement ceremony comes to a close. Now you're ready to walk across the stage in style. Congratulations, graduate!